what's going on YouTube? Basically, we're going to be installing this MMD downforce spoiler. Got the instructions right here. We also got all the proper hardware, and yeah, let's go and hop into it. First thing we got to do is remove all of these. Okay, so let's go ahead and start doing that. I'm just use my keys because I forgot my tool inside. Come on, there we go. Now it should pop right off. Set that back in there. If we can. Now let's bring it inside. It's my room, I'm pretty sure. Making my way through my house to get my drill, because I need that. Buddy. It's my little puppy. Well, my sister's puppy. His name's Cole, because he's all black. Ain't that right, buddy? Yeah. Alright, better make sure I have my bits out here too. Alright, so we got all the tools laid out here. Basically what you need to do is, actually let me grab the instructions. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to pop those off. Should probably get my tool, but I think I can get, nope, cannot. Yeah, use one of these drags. Okay, maybe not. Oh, okay, that was easy as hell. Scratch anything? No. Okay, keep those in there as well, because there's not much hardware for this. It's just not being an idiot. Look at that, pop right off. Now if I can stop losing stuff, put that in there, and now we need a dope. It doesn't say what kind of bolt or nut that is, whatever you want to call it. That's definitely not it. Definitely not it. Try one of these. Oh, look at that. So it is a 3/8. I should have knew that. Everything on my Mustang's a 3/8. Now we're going to go and take off 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these. Start in the middle. Why not? Alright, be sure not to drop this. Got that. Alright, so we're gonna go and do that for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll be right back. Next up here, the bird. Next up here is to unscrew these 3 plastic tabs here. Oh, that's a flathead. Yeah, Phillips. So we're removing the brake light right now. Ooh, I should probably go and disconnect this real quick. Actually, I don't think we need to disconnect anything from there. So 1, hold up. Okay, so 1 screw, 2, 3. All right, we should be able to lower this now. Oh, wait, we need to remove this. Do not want to break this. Oh, okay, yeah, let's go to remove all those. Okay, where'd that go? Oh, there it is. And we got that. Alright, so let's just go ahead and remove this real quick. Oh, look at that. There's my smoke on that. That's pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, let's just go and disconnect this. Just to be on the safe side. Alright, so I'll set that right there as well. And now, there are my keys. That would have been bad. Let's get the keys. And this should need to be heated up, as expected. Alright, so now I'm just going to heat this material up, and yes, I'm using a hairdryer. So basically what I've done here is we want to have to remove the rear spoiler. got all the 3M off, and we cleaned it up. Now what's next is we're going to start the drilling process, which is what I'm most nervous about. Anyways, if I get my keys out of my pocket. It's like I don't have my keys. I don't know where my keys are. Anyways, no worries. We can just go ahead and... This is hard to hold in this spoiler. This thing's huge. Ooh. Alright, so basically we gotta loosely fit it right now. How I'm supposed to do this, I don't know. But we're gonna figure it out. This is why it says you need an extra set of hands. So we're supposed to loosely just set it on here. Damn, that looks aggressive already. Alright, anyways. So we're supposed to loosely fit this on here. So we can put the template on. I got the template cut out and everything, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just pretty nervous about this part. Okay. So I think how I'm gonna do this is, yeah, okay. So we need to find this little hole right here. There it is. I'm just gonna put that through there. Now we just gotta find the hole in the bottom of this. This isn't gonna scratch the car either because it has a little gasket under it. Ooh, okay. Do not lose the bolt. Alright. Okay, so we got those two on, and we got these two over here. Go ahead and line these up as well. Alright, so now we got the spoiler loosely installed. Now we just gotta install this template underneath right here. So the way this works is I should be able to lift up on this. Oh, let me get all this stuff off my car. Should be able to lift up on this and slide it down in, and that should be right there. You want to make sure this is perfect though, so that should be right there. Let's see, let's make sure all my bolts line up. I left this one. Oh, okay. So we're gonna move that up a little bit right there. It shouldn't make too much of a difference though. Yep, no difference at all. Okay. So now we just need to tape this down. Just make sure everything's square on that. Alright, now that that's taped down, we should be able to go and remove these. Oh, there goes my tape. Okay. Should be able to remove all these bolts, and then I'll be back whenever we're going to the drilling. Alright, so now it's time for the scary part. So according to the instructions, or my instructions, yeah, I think the wind took it. Okay, hold on. 3/8 diameter. So we are going down to here. Okay. Okay, we're through. How many more do we got? Okay, we got a couple more to go through. About 3 more. And we're good. Okay. Pretty accurate. Now let's just make sure the bolt fits through. It does. I think we did a pretty good job on that, to be honest. Ooh. Not bad at all. It's actually pretty dope. I was scared as shit to do that. Maybe we just drop this down in there. Right down to a 3/8 diameter. Okay. So now we need the touch-up paint again, which is right here. There's a little burr right there, hold up. Got her out. Sweet. All right. And now we go and get the spoiler. All right, so we ran into a problem. I went to AutoZone, fixed it, figured everything out. In that process, my trunk got extremely messy because everything flew back around. And I have everything secured, but all my tools and everything still organized, so that's good. Next step though is to be installing a little rubber grommet right here, just so it protects from like rain and stuff coming in there, because that's no longer sealed off. All right, now that that's on, we move on to the fun stuff. All right, now they're all tightened down. Just gotta install everything else in and we're good to go. Alright guys, so there we have it, she's all done. I like it a lot. I think that looks aggressive. But yeah, if you guys don't mind leaving a like, maybe even subscribing, appreciate it. It was not easy putting this on. I was actually afraid to drill that hole, but everything turned out perfectly fine. And these, I don't know man, it just looks so aggressive to me. But yeah guys, thanks for watching.
Ballin' like I am Bojack. Sometimes I think too much, wish that I think less. When you lie to me, that is not English.